Halo teman-teman semua, kembali lagi di EM Project. Nah, kita lanjutin serial ini ya teman-teman ya. Detroit Become Human. Langsung aja kita mulai di sini teman-teman. Oke, kita lanjutkan di mana Markus ke tempat Jericho ya. Ini nama tempat ternyata.
Who are you?
Siapa kamu? Katanya.
Just like you.
Steve.
My name is Josh.
Oke, mereka saling berkenalan.
North.
Oke, kita kita tanya tentang
This is
Jericho ya.
Jericho? It's a refuge for those who don't want to be slaves anymore.
Oke. Refugee
I don't
katanya.
understand. I thought Jericho was a place where androids lived in freedom.
We do live in freedom. It may not be what you hoped for, but here we have no master. We don't belong to anybody.
Dia nanya Jericho bukannya tempat android hidup bebas gitu. Dia bilang ya bebas, kita nggak punya
There are 19
tuan
of us
katanya.
still in working order. The rest were damaged escaping their masters.
Many tried to reach Jericho. Few succeed. Humans have little pity for our kind. I understand how you feel, but we have more freedom here than you ever did.
Oke. Kita coba direct ya,
Waiting
to
in
the
the dark
point
for
ya.
something to happen? That's not how I see freedom.
You're lost. Just like the rest of us. We didn't ask for this. All we can do now is deal with it.
Oke, jadi mereka kabur ke tempat gelap ini teman-teman, bersembunyi gitu. Dan dia kan dapat info gitu. Jadi ini
Lucy. She might be able to help you.
orang-orang yang sudah tidak punya masternya gitu. Oh, kok orang android yang sudah tidak punya master gitu teman-teman, nggak bekerja untuk siapapun, mereka tinggal di sini. Terus mereka kira, Markus kira ada kebebasan gitu kan. Ternyata cuma orang yang bersembunyi, terperangkap juga di tempat gelap. Cuma mereka bilang setidaknya kami tidak ada yang memerintah gitu loh. Oke, kita coba ajak bicara di sini.
Humans are afraid of dying too.
Oke.
Do you know what happens after death?
No. No, I don't.
Well, I'm about to find out. What's your name?
Marcus.
Oke, dia nanya namanya teman-teman. Dia udah sekarat nih, android yang sekarat.
Glad to meet you, Marcus.
Dia senang berjumpa kita. Oke, dia telah tiada teman-teman ya. Oke, kita disuruh mencari Lucy dan explore Jericho, teman-teman ya. Kita hidupin api di sini. Oke, kita coba ikutin yang kuning-kuning ya, teman-teman ya. Situ ada yang bisa kita ajak ngobrol juga nih, teman-teman. Dengan satu untuk berbicara.
Not in very good shape, am I? My diagnostic program isn't working.
Oke, jadi
I don't
dia
think I
dalam
have anything good to
kondisi
say
yang
anymore.
buruk lah.
What happened to you?
Apa yang terjadi denganmu, kata si
Tied me to
Markus.
the back of a car. I think they wanted to have fun.
Dia diikat di belakang mobil,
They
teman-teman
won't
ya.
shut down. No,
Kayak disiksa lah gitu. Oke. Padahal kalau dipikir-pikir hanya robot teman-temannya, tapi bisa punya feeling gitu, merasakan takut. Kayak kita kan takut meninggal gitu. Mereka juga takut nih. Karena mereka cuma sistem. Kalau dipikir-pikir ya. Ini kita hidupin lagi api di sini teman-teman. Oke, kameranya ini nggak stabil sih. Oke, kita coba ajak ngobrol wanita ini dulu ya. Oke, North namanya. Kita tanya tentang, kita ceritakan tentang kita.
What was your
Oh,
function before coming here?
kita tanya tentang dia teman-teman ya.
What do you care?
Wah, resentful ya, nggak peduli dia. Oke, kita tanya yang terluka teman-teman ya.
This guy's in pretty bad shape.
That's how the humans treat those who disobey.
Dibilangnya itu cara manusia
We'll
memperlakukan
never accept what we are.
android lah gitu. Kita tanya tentang Jericho teman-teman ya. Siapa yang menemukan tempat ini gitu.
Nobody knows anymore. Whoever he was, his body's probably laying somewhere on this boat. If you came here for comfort, you came to the wrong place.
Oke. Ini dibilang kalau kita mencari rasa nyaman, kita datang ke tempat yang salah karena di sini tempat orang bersembunyi doang teman-teman. Oke, ini coba kita cek ya. Ada cutscene. Kok ada anak kecil ya di situ ya?
They threw him out when they didn't want him anymore.
Jadi dia
He's living on the
dibuang.
streets before we brought him here.
They'll all shut down if we don't find a way to help them.
To help them, we need blue blood and biocomponents. We salvage what we can from those who shut down. But there's never enough.
So, how do they survive?
They won't. We're slowly dying out.
Oke, kita explore lagi ya. Sini bisa dinyalain juga teman-teman. Oke, kita cek lagi. Situ ada tanda teman-teman. Oke, kita buka ya. Oke, kosong teman-teman. Kita analisa di sini Cyberlife. Oke. Rute. Kita cek lagi, sudah tidak ada ya teman-teman ya. Kita sudah berhasil explore. Kita cari Lucy teman-teman, kayak di atas ini. Di mana ya? Nggak ada jalan ya. Oke. Tuh banyak tulisan RA9 teman-teman ya. Kita coba ke sini ya. Nggak bisa teman-teman. Situ ada tangga. Kita ditutup juga sih tangganya. Sini ada, nggak ada apa-apa teman-teman ya. Find Lucy. Kita disuruh mencari Lucy teman-teman. Apakah ini nggak bisa diajak ngobrol ya? Oke, kesini ada jalan teman-teman. Ini, oke, Lucy ketemu ya. Wow, kok udah
Are you
hancur,
Lucy?
udah hancur sekali dia teman-teman.
Sit down.
Oke, kita duduk, kita disuruh duduk teman-teman.
Show me.
Oke, kita disuruh memperlihatkan sesuatu ini teman-teman. Oh, luka di badan kita.
I'll stop the bleeding. Drink this.
Oke, kita ambil. Kita disuruh minum Blue Blood ini kayaknya teman-teman.
Give me your hand.
Oke.
You had it all. And you lost it all. You've seen hell and now hell lives in you.
Kamu melihat neraka dan sekarang neraka hidup di dalammu katanya.
A part of shadow and a part of light. Which will prevail? Your choices will shape our destiny.
Peramal deh nih teman-temannya. Kayak dukun gitu. Oke, kita disuruh ngapain lagi? Propose a plan to Simon. Ini Simon itu yang agak rapi ya. Mana dia tadi? Oke, bukan ya. Ini kayaknya. Oke, ini Simon bukan ya. Ini kameranya agak ini teman-teman, kita ganti dulu. Oke, Simon itu yang pakai jaket ini ya teman-teman ya. Oke, kita ngobrol. Let's
Simon.
go.
I know where we can find spare parts.
Oke, kita mau cari
Cyberlife
spare
warehouses
part
in
ya.
Detroit Harbor. They have everything we need.
The docks are guarded. We can't just walk in there and
Dia
take
bilang
what we
tempat
want.
itu dijaga, nggak bisa kita suka-suka ke sana.
We don't have any weapons. And even if we did, none of us knows how to fight.
We can steal what we need without fighting.
We'll just get ourselves killed.
Maybe. It's better than waiting here to be shut down.
I'm with you.
Oke, jadi mereka mau mencuri
Maybe it's worth a
teman-teman.
try.
Okay. I'm in.
Oke, kita continue lagi ya teman-teman ya. 6 November. Jadi kita mau melakukan pencurian di pabrik Cyberlife gitu teman-teman ya. Oke, kita sekarang menjadi Kara lagi teman-teman. Kita menjaga Alice ya.
We'll get some help here. Soon this will all be just a bad memory. This is the place.
Oke, kita open, masuk saja teman-teman. Dia bilang this is the place, cuma nggak tahu tempat apanya. Oke, coba kita lihat ada misi nggak ya. Kita disuruh mencari pertolongan teman-teman. Oke, kita maju aja di sini. Kita tekan bel ya. Sekali lagi. Oke, dibukain pintu teman-teman.
Are you Zlatko?
Zlatko.
Who's asking?
I was told you could help us.
I don't know who told you that. You came to the wrong place. I'm sorry.
Wait! We really need your help.
Come in.
Ya, kita disuruh masuk ya.
Come on in. Don't be shy.
Bilangnya masuk aja, jangan malu-malu. Oke, kita disuruh mengikuti siapa namanya, Zlatko ya. Oke, ini orang
Would you be so
teman-teman.
kind as to take these ladies' coats? Oh, don't be afraid of our big friend here. Luther is just another android that I helped. He keeps me company in this big, empty old house. Please, make yourselves at home. How did you hear about me?
An android. On the street, he said you could help us.
I see.
Ini vibesnya agak serem ya teman-teman ya. Kayaknya
Deviant, huh?
meragukan nih teman-teman.
What about her?
She's human.
Oke.
And you want to find a safe place. Somewhere you can start a new life. I hear Canada is very lovely at this time of year.
Oke.
Beautiful landscapes,
Kanada
open
katanya.
spaces, clean air, and no android laws. Great place for a fresh start.
Oke, dia bilang Kanada tempat yang bagus untuk
That's
memulai.
exactly what we want.
Of course.
Ini kayaknya smuggler
I can help you.
teman-teman, penyelundup.
But first, we have to get rid of your tracker.
Tracker?
Yeah. All androids are fitted with a tracking device to locate them at all times. I'll remove yours, and then you'll both be safe. Come on. Follow me.
Katanya dia mau bantu remove tracker di badannya
the
si
little one can wait
Kara
until the living
teman-teman.
No, she always stays with me.
Ya kan?
Of course. Right this way? Everything we need is in the basement.
Oke, kita ikutin saja teman-teman ya. Kita disuruh ke basement tuh, agak mencurigakan ya teman-teman. Tuh dia penjual organ, penjual organ.
Let's go, I have a bad feeling.
Tuh kan si Alice juga bilang ini.
Alice, we have nowhere else to go. We have
Aduh,
to trust him.
aku salah apa belum sempat pencet teman-teman. Oke, yuk. Tuh, tempatnya udah
Please
begini
excuse the
teman-teman.
mess.
Ini
I needed
tempat
somewhere discreet
nggak
for my machines.
nggak beres.
Removing trackers is illegal, so I opted for discretion over comfort. I hope the little one isn't too scared.
No. No, she'll be all right.
That's good.
Come on, Alice.
Oke, Alice melihat sesuatu di sini, cuma nggak tahu apa ini teman-teman.
This way, please.
Check on Alice, oke. Sudah. Ya Alice. Enter.
If you could just stand over there.
Oke, kita disuruh masuk ke mesinnya Zlatko teman-teman. Oke, kameranya agak nyebelin nih ya. Coba kita. Oke, kita masuk aja kalau gitu ya. Semoga dia orang baik teman-teman. Nggak dibodoh-bodohin kita ya.
I should warn you, this could be quite unpleasant.
Oke, kayaknya orang baik sih dia ini. Cuma wajar, kita harus selalu curiga sama orang teman-teman ya. Nggak boleh percaya 100% gitu.
You know what's strange? For some unknown reason, the trackers seem to stop working in Deviants.
Oh,
That's why it's so hard to find them.
jadi tracker tuh udah otomatis stop
Actually,
di
there's no reason
Deviant,
to remove your tracker.
What? But you said that.
Yeah,
ya kan?
people believe what they want. You Deviants are so naive.
Kita ditipu teman-teman.
They'll come to me expecting me to help them,
Bener kan?
and I just reset them.
Kita mau
Sell
di
them all.
reset, terus dijual
Or I
lagi.
keep them for my little experiments.
No! No! I don't want to be reset! Let me go!
Oh, I forgot about the child.
Oke, jadi kita mau di reset terus dijual lagi teman-teman.
Alice! Alice,
Kena
no!
tipu kita.
Wow. A deviant that wants to be a mother. That's so sweet. And so deluded. I think it's time we put you out of your misery.
Kita harus ngapain nih? Wah, di reset kita teman-teman. Nggak bisa melawan kah kita? 3%. 3%
Keep
teman-teman.
having a dream. It always ends up the same way. Tears and disillusionment. Believe me, you're better off being erased and feeling nothing.
Dijebak kita.
No more pain. No more hopes dashed. I almost envy you. Oh, poor little Alice. Oh, looks like Mommy doesn't remember you at all, huh? Looks like
Okay.
Mommy's completely forgotten you.
Clara, what happened to you?
Oh, all right, that's enough. Come on.
Oke. Alice.
You bit me. I'm gonna teach you some manners, you little bitch.
Kara! Wake up, Kara!
Meet me in the living room.
Oke, kita disuruh temui dia di ruang tamu. Tapi ada notif tadi di kanan atas seperti yang teman-teman lihat, kayak memory corrupted gitu. Kita disuruh cari ini teman-teman. Cause a short circuit, betul ya. Ada Terus gimana nih caranya ya? Ada vodka. Oke. Lalu kita disuruh push. Ya. Oke. 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 Oke, let's go. Kita tarik kabel hijaunya ya. Kita disuruh tarik kabel hijau. Oke. Berhasil ya teman-teman ya. Vodkanya udah berhasil kita senggol teman-teman. Kita dorong. Oke. Bagus sekali. Oke. Kita cek lagi ada apa. Oke. Oke, berhasil teman-teman. Oke, kita harus mencari Alice. Kita cari Alice lewat sini ya. Oke, coba kita lihat nih ada apa. Soalnya tadi kita nggak lihat. Oke, ternyata banyak android juga teman-teman. Kita buka ya. Kita selamatin.
This can't be happening.
Oke.
He likes to play with us, creating monsters for his amusement.
Oh, bentuknya aneh-aneh teman-teman.
Look what he
Tuh.
did to us.
Dijadikan eksperimen aneh sama bapak yang tadi. Yang satu nggak ada muka, yang satu mukanya udah copot teman-teman. Yang satu tangannya jadi super pendek. Oke, ini kita lihat lagi ya tuh. Ada yang dibikin seperti ini teman-teman, disiksa gitu. Kenapa ya? Mungkin karena bentuknya kayak manusia. Kadang kan ada psikopat gitu, dia suka siksa manusia kan. Jadi bentuknya kayak manusia tapi dia itu robot. Mungkin ya. Jadi
Luther! Luther! Yes, Slatko.
Slatko namanya ya.
Have a look at the little one, see what I can.
Find Alice. Oke, ini
Understood, Slatko. I'll bring you
Sini
the
ya.
little one in 10 minutes.
Oke, kita dikasih waktu 10 menit teman-teman. Gak ada di sini ya. Kayaknya di atas. Soalnya kan tadi dia ditarik sama Zlatko ya teman-teman ya. Ditarik sama Zlatko, si cowok itu ngikut. Oke, ada banyak banget ya. Oke, dia lagi bereksperimen di dalam ruangan itu teman-teman. Oke, ini kita coba buka. Ada kelainan ya. Sama kayak dulu katanya ada kasus orang dijadikan eksperimen gitu teman-teman. kayak mau dibikin zombie gitu ya. Ini ada sesuatu teman-teman. Tuh. Oh, ini badannya diputar balik. Oke. Kita coba ke pintu ini ya. Oke, ada.
Has the master authorized you to be here? You must always obey the master. Oh yes, you must always obey. You should not be here. You have no business here. No, you have no business here. If you have no orders, you should go on standby. Oh yes, you must obey.
Oke, ketahuan nggak kita nih? Storage. Oke, ini yang tadi ya. Kita keluar lagi. Oke. Kita coba lah. Oh, jadi dia istirahat selama 10 menit, teman-teman. Oke, ini juga ada android yang disiksa, kayak dibakar itu. Oke, berita ya, kita harus cepat ya. Kita cari Alice. Di manakah Alice? Oke, masuk. Kita selamatin Alice dulu, teman-teman. Sini nggak bisa dibuka ya. Oke. Dalam lemari ini kah? Nggak ada ya. Coba kita ke koridor lagi. Oke, sebelah sini belum ya, teman-teman ya. Oke, ketemu teman-teman.
Alice?
Kara, you remember me?
How could I forget you? I'm so sorry. You were right. We never should have come here. We have to go. Follow me and don't make any noise, okay?
Oke, kita mau kabur teman-teman ya.
Luther?
Oke, kita ngintip.
Yes, Zako.
I'm finished here. Go fetch the little one.
Right away, Zako.
Oke, kita disuruh gawat-gawat kita kesini ya teman-teman ya. Dia menangkap anak kecil itu, si Alice. Sini, let's go. Kita sembunyi.
Zako! What? The little
Okay.
one is gone. Well, it can't have just disappeared. It's gotta be here somewhere. What are you waiting for? Go look.
Ketahuan kita ya. Oke, itu bedroom. Oke, mau ditembak kita. Oke, sadis ya. Oke. Waduh. Oke, let's go. Kabur. Ini lah main langsung nembaknya deh.
There's no point in running. You can't escape from me.
Oke.
Get a move on.
Fokus dulu ya teman-teman ya.
No
Oke, backdoor. Soalnya front door dikunci tadi ya. Oke. Let's go. Terbuka teman-teman ya.
Alice!
Oke.
Go, Alice!
No, I won't leave.
Go! Run as fast as you can!
I warned you. Dreams always end in tears. You should have listened to me. What are you doing?
Wah, dia lindungi kita teman-teman.
Get out of my way.
No. Not this time.
I said get out of my way or I'll shoot right through you.
Wah, jadi Deviant juga Android ini teman-teman. Ini yang kita lepasin tadi.
Who let you out? Get away from me! Get away from me! Obey me! I'm your master! I'm your master!
Karma teman-teman ya.
I didn't want to hurt you.
Dia nggak mau nyakitin kita teman-teman.
Programmed me to obey him. When I saw the little one risk her life to save you, it was like opening my eyes for the first time. Finally I could see.
Oke, jadi dia pas ngelihat Alice melindungi Kara, matanya terbuka teman-teman.
But I know someone who could help you across the border. I could take you there. I could protect you.
Oke, dia mau nolong kita ya.
All right. I trust you.
Oke, kita percaya sama dia teman-teman.
I was so scared of losing you.
Oke, beres teman-teman ya. Oke. Kita continue lagi ya teman-teman. Oke, kita jadi si Connor teman-teman sekarang. Kita disuruh cari Amanda lagi ya. Mana ini bosnya? Cuma masih belum jelas juga dia manusia apakah ataukah android juga teman-teman.
Hello, Amanda.
Connor, I've been expecting you. Would you mind a little walk?
Oke, dia ngajak kita jalan-jalan teman-teman. Sambil ngobrol gitu.
That deviant seemed to be an intriguing case. Pity you didn't manage to capture it.
Oke, dia bahas si Kara ya.
I agree.
Jadi kita bahas si Kara kabur gitu.
Maybe you should consider replacing me.
Did you manage to learn anything?
Dia nanya apakah kita berhasil belajar sesuatu. Kita coba ya tanda-tanda di tembok ya.
Were covered with drawings of labyrinths and other symbols. Like the other deviants, it seemed obsessed with RA9.
Oke, dijelaskan simbol RA9 teman-teman ya.
It was fascinated by birds. We've seen deviants interested in other life forms, like insects or pets. But nothing like this.
You came very close to capturing that deviant. How is your relationship with the Lieutenant developing?
Oke, dia nanya hubungan kita sama Letnan Hank, teman-teman ya. Nah, kita bilang
He is
positif.
openly hostile towards me and
Oke,
continues to
salah.
show no interest in the investigation. Cooperating with him is a real challenge.
We don't have much time. Deviancy continues to spread. It's only a matter of time before the media finds out about it. We need to stop this, whatever it takes.
I will solve this investigation, Amanda. I won't disappoint you.
Oke, jadi dia minta
A new case
cepat
just came.
dibereskan sebelum
Find
media
privacy
tahu
investigate.
tentang Android, kasus-kasus Android ini, teman-teman. Oke, kita pindah scene, teman-teman ya.
Reached your destination. Thank you for traveling with Detroit Taxis. We look forward to seeing you again soon.
Oke, masih menjadi kanor kita. Kita disuruh mencari Letnan Anderson, teman-teman.
Lieutenant Anderson! Anybody home?
Oke, kita cari jalan masuk, teman-teman ya. Oke, lewat sana ya. Kita ngintip, teman-teman. Oke, ini ada anjingnya ya. Di Letnan Andersonnya nggak ada, teman-teman. Oke, kita bisa lihat mobilnya juga di sini. Oke, nggak ada apa-apa ya, teman-teman ya. Bisa lihat sini. Oke. Gak ada jalan masuk ya. Kita putarin coba. Oke, mutar dari kiri berarti ya. Oke, ada petunjuk. Kita bisa intip lagi nih di dua jendela. Oke, pingsan ya, teman-teman ya.
Lieutenant Anderson! Easy, Sumo. I'm your friend. See? I know your name. I'm here to save your owner.
Oke, kita cek ya kondisinya ya. Oke, dia kenapa? Minum-minum, ada yang nyerang kayaknya dia. Oke, whisky. Kita cek juga ini ada fingerprint atau enggak. Sisa satu peluru, teman-teman. Oke, ini ada tanda alkohol ya. Oke, ini oke, nggak ada tanda trauma sih. Analisis komplit ya.
Lieutenant. Wake up, Lieutenant. It's me, Connor.
Ditabok teman-teman ya.
I'll have to warn you.
Leave me
This may be
alone,
unpleasant.
fucking android. Get the fuck out of my house.
I'm sorry, Lieutenant, but I need you. Thank you in advance for your cooperation.
Get the fuck out of here.
Ini kita bawa dia ke WC teman-teman ya.
Good job. Attack! Fuck, I think I'm gonna be sick. Oh, leave me alone, you asshole. I'm not going anywhere. What the hell are you doing? I don't want a bath. Thank you.
Sorry, Lieutenant. It's for your own good.
Ah! Ah! Turn it off! Turn it off! Ah! What the fuck are you doing here?
Biar dia sadar
A homicide
teman-teman,
was
mabuk
reported
dia.
43 minutes ago. I couldn't find you at Jimmy's bar, so I came to see if you were at home.
Jesus, I must be the only cop in the world that gets assaulted in his own house by his own fucking android. Can't you just leave me alone?
Unfortunately, I cannot. I've been programmed to investigate this case, and I can't do it without you.
I don't give a shit about your goddamn case.
Lieutenant, you're not yourself. You should...
Beat it, you hear me? Get the hell out of here!
Oke, kita
I
bercandain ya.
It probably wasn't interesting anyway. A man found dead in a sex club downtown. Guess they'll have to solve the case without us.
You know, probably wouldn't do me any harm to get some air. There's some clothes in the bedroom there.
Oke, dia
I'll go
minta diambilin bajunya teman-teman.
What do you want to wear?
Whatever.
Kita hippie yang tengah lah ya, agak kuning-kuning teman-teman. Oke. Kenapa dia nggak mau gerak? Oke, sudah gerak ya. Kita lanjut.
Are you all right, Lieutenant?
Kamu baik saja, Letnan.
Yeah.
Ya, katanya.
Wonderful. Just give me 5 minutes, okay?
Sure.
Oke, kita disuruh menyelidiki teman-teman ya tentang Hank. Oke, time to pull the plug. Oke, penjualan Android sebagai pasangan meledak teman-teman ya. Oke, jadi banyak yang beli Android sebagai pasangan juga teman-teman, bukan cuma sebagai pembantu rumah tangga. Oke teman-teman ya, sebentar teman-teman. Oke, kita teliti dulu tentang Hank. Oke, kita sayang-sayang dulu anjingnya ya. Oke. Kadang lihat orang pelihara anjing pengen aku teman-teman, cuma takut nggak sanggup rawatnya. Apalagi anjing besar ya, butuh biaya juga kan, biaya waktu. Hank suka musik jazz teman-teman. Oke, kita ambil. Oke. Blues. Kok jazz ya? Oke, kita cek lagi itu pistolnya teman-teman ya. Say nothing lah ya. Oke, Hank punya ini teman-teman, keinginan untuk melakukan tindakan mengakhiri hidupnya gitulah teman-teman ya. Karena ya bisa dilihat juga sih dia hidup sendirian teman-teman, dan mabuk-mabukan juga ya. Jadi ya mungkin bisa jadi dia stres. Ini ada petunjuk. Oke, cuma bisa dilihat doang ya. Oke. Oh, ada foto teman-teman, foto anaknya ini kayaknya ya. Kita analisa dulu. Oke, sudah tidak ada ya. Jadi Hank tuh sempat punya anak teman-teman. Kasihan juga Hank ya.
Be a good dog, Sumo. I won't be long.
Nama anjingnya Sumo teman-teman. Pasti karena gendut. Pesumo ya. Pesumo kan biasa besar-besar badannya. Oke teman-teman, sudah selesai ya adegan Connor ini teman-teman. Oke teman-teman, sekian dulu episode kita kali ini ya teman-teman ya. Kita lanjut lagi besok di keseruan berikutnya teman-teman. Terima kasih buat teman-teman yang sudah menonton, sudah support channel ini juga ya. Aku sangat appreciate. Thank you teman-teman semua. Sampai jumpa di episode berikutnya. Dadah.